888.hu. The following criminals came to Hungary with the migrants wave. By Dalmatot. April 24, 2017. A list was published that included the name of migrants who entered the country with immigration waves and committed crimes. What is the reason and what did they do? Origo has acquired a list of immigrant names who came to Hungary with immigration waves and committed serious crimes either before or after the border crossing. People on the list are involved in homicide, sexual violence, smuggling and drug trafficking. Many of them still reside in Hungary. They were expelled years ago, but are currently serving their prison sentences. Based on the data of the Immigration and Asylum Office, a few pages of material indicate the number of offenses committed by immigrants targeting Hungarian citizens. There are 22 names in the list. And who are they? Let's see the list. Afghan citizen LS caused 71 deaths in Iran, Turkey, Greece, and Serbia. He still filed an asylum application on March 13, 2013, claiming that Taliban persecuted him in his native land. The Refugee Authority accepted this and was recognized as protected on July 15, 2013. LS was a fossil of the smuggling network that killed 71 people on August 27, 2015, including several children. The Hungarian authorities revoked his status and was expelled to Afghanistan. However, his legal representative challenged the decision, but the court finally rejected the review request. However, the document does not reveal whether the deportation was made. An Afghan citizen, MC, killed a man in Germany. In September 2016 he submitted his application to the Hungarian authorities. He was accompanied by his 4 young children. It turned out that the Germans were already searching for him. They suspected him of the murder of his wife. An international warrant was issued against him, but it is not known what had happened to him since then. In any case, his children came to the care center of the Hungarian Children's Center sometime in September 2016. A Nigerian citizen also came to Hungary from Serbia. He twice submitted his application for asylum, but he went to an unknown location and the procedure was terminated. When he returned to the designated place of residence, he said that he was the second leader of a vampire bunker organization. The group was accused in Nigeria for homicides and kidnapping. He admitted having kidnapped and killed 4 people. It was not a surprise that his request was rejected and ordered his deportation to Serbia. However, his migrant attorney challenged the decision, but he did not come lucky, as the request was rejected and ordered to be deported to Nigeria, which took place on December 15, 2016. A Pakistani citizen came to the country by cutting the fence and crossing the Serbian border. It was therefore expelled for 2 years, but the Serb removal failed for some reason. Nevertheless, he later claimed himself as a refugee, which he withdrawn. Then a few months later he submitted another application. Because of this, his application was denied, but WA had the right to stay in the country, so he should have stayed in the refugee camp. Instead, he traveled to Budapest where he robbed a pedestrian with a 10-centimeter knife. The German authorities issued a European arrest warrant against an Iraqi citizen CADC, but is not known why. On February 27 this year, the National Bureau of Investigation ordered his arrest. In a letter CADC he stated that he did not intend to return to Germany because he did not receive a passport for 1.5 years, did not have a chance to go to school, the German authorities did not give him a house and only received €100. Therefore, it would remain in Hungary. Nevertheless, it was handed over to the German authorities on March 2. pp. A Cameroon citizen sexually assaulted a minor girl in a family house in Pest County then disappeared. He had submitted his asylum application to the BMH, but having left for an unknown location, the procedure was terminated. Later, because of the crime he committed, the investigating authority ordered his arrest, but the measure did not lead to the result. There are 16 other names in the list, including 1 from Russia, 6 Afghan, 1 Pakistani, 1 Kyrgyz, 2 Somalis, 1 Turkish, 1 Malay, 1 Albanian, 1 Ghanaian and 1 Congolese citizen. Accused of serious bodily injury, smuggling of people, defamation, drug possession, drug trafficking, delinquency, rogue publicity, tyranny and armed robbery.